Hi guys, welcome back to another brand new edition of Music Monday. I'm your host, Wyatt Wyatt. On this brand new edition of Music Monday, I'm bringing to you an original song a cappella style, Chase Your Dream. Okay, let's get it going. Yeah, you may not notice this, but baby, yeah, I got the lyrical gift of being a lyrical genius, and I want to chase my dream. Even though it may sound as crazy as it seems, people may not want to understand that you can chase your dream. Some people may want to steer you wrong, but your hands up if you know what I mean. Chase your dream. If you can believe it, then you can dream it. Just chase your dream. As far-fetched as some people may really think, as far-fetched as it may seem. Just chase your dream. Give it all you got. Give it all you got. Give it your heart. And then maybe once you find the passion, then maybe it will light a spark. Just chase your dream, even though it may crazy as it seems. Cause yeah, the professor's in session. If your hands up, if you know what I mean. This is how we're gonna do it. No limitations on me. Put your hands if you feel me. Cause we gotta chase your dream, even though it may be crazy as it seems. Chase your dream, even though people don't want you to. Cause you know what I really mean. Chase your dream, no matter what. Anybody knows what you mean. Chase your dream, give it your all, give it all your heart. Then maybe then there'll be a spark. And just chase your dream, even if they try to steer you wrong. Just chase your dream, put your hands up, if you're feeling the song. So chase your dream, Proof the doubters and the haters wrong. Cause if you got the power to dream it, then you know your dream is so strong. So chase your dream even though they may not even understand. But you know in your heart that you can do the best you can. So chase your dream all you can. Till your dream comes true. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. Yeah, if you can dream it, it may come true. So chase your dream.